Are you looking to buy a large, spacious home here in Elk Grove, California? Maybe you're a local buyer who's looking to buy a bigger home, or maybe you're moving here from the Bay Area or perhaps other parts of the state or the country and are looking to buy a large home here in Elk Grove. This is the video for you today. I'm going to take you through 2 home tours by different builders so you get to see what price point they're at, what they have to offer, what do I mean by a large home, and also compare the 2 builders, talk about pricing, talk about availability, talk about taxes, everything that you would want to know. Stick until the end, and I'm also going to compare the 2 builders and their pricing and incentives so you know exactly what you're buying. In this tour, I'm going to show you every inch of the house, so let's get started. The first house we're looking at is by Lennar Homes, located in the Arbor Ranch community here in Elk Grove. This home is 3,141 square feet, lot size about 5,800, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. The unique thing about this house, it has 2 master bedrooms, 1 downstairs, 1 upstairs, 3-car garage. Old price around $845,000. But the new discounted price is a little less than $800,000 for this beautiful home. As soon as you walk inside, on the left-hand side, you have half a bathroom, also known as the powder room. Upon entry, a nice closet with the door in the front, and further along the highway on the left-hand side, you have the beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances that are included in the price of $799K. Walk-in spacious pantry as well, laminated flooring, everything is included in the price of $799. Enough space in this open floor plan for a dining table. Here's a quick peek into the backyard. Huge covered patio, again included in the price. In addition to that, you have the beautiful family room on the left that gives this floor plan that big, wide, open space, open floor plan feeling. Unique thing about this house, the main primary bedroom is located on the ground floor. Very, very unique. Has, of course, a huge bathroom with the spacious walk-in closet. In addition to that, in this bedroom downstairs, you also have extra flex space on the right. Currently, in this specific home, it is sort of modeled to be a home gym, but it could be play area for your kids, or it could also be a home office for you. And like I said, you just got a sneak peek at the beautiful walk-in closet that you have as part of this primary bedroom that is located downstairs. Of course, this house also has a 3-car spacious garage space as well. We're gonna go onto the second floor now and kind of show you exactly what is located upstairs. This specific builder, Lennar, is the type of builder that you see what you get with them. So the floor plan, the flooring, the covered patio, everything is included in the price, including some of the appliances. Beautiful spacious loft located on the second floor. And here is the secondary primary bedroom, which is smaller than, of course, the main primary bedroom located on the downstairs floor. Here is the attached spacious bathroom for this bedroom that is located upstairs. In addition to that, we of course have spacious laundry room, space for additional closet space in there as well. Above and beyond that, we're going to show you the 3 other bedrooms that are located upstairs with the hallway bathroom, which is another full hallway bathroom, making this specific floor plan a total of 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, spacious home. In addition to that, builder also has up to 100% closing cost assistance plus 5.49 special 30-year locked interest rate. As a realtor, we have gotten better deals for our clients. So make sure you work with a local expert who understands the market. Let's wrap Lennar home and let's get to Risewell Homes next. I hope you're enjoying this video so far, and I apologize for the quick interruption. Similar to this video, we post a lot of builder incentives and price drops videos on our channel. So if you are enjoying this one and you want to be aware of future price drops, do subscribe to our channel so that you're the first to be informed. Now let's get back to the video. Now we are at our second home with Risewell here in Elk Grove. This specific home is 3,215 square feet, lot size about 6,000. Similar to the other one, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Again, 2 master bedroom home, 3-car garage, old price about $917. The updated price being about $860,000. Different thing about this home is as soon as you walk in, you are actually welcomed by your secondary primary bedroom. Basically, it's a master bedroom, a smaller size, located on the first floor. Unlike the previous plan, the main master bedroom, the more spacious one, is located upstairs. So this one could truly be a multi-generational home, or maybe perhaps extra main secondary bedroom for an adult child. Of course, has an attached bathroom. This home also has half a bathroom in the hallway, but this truly space that you just saw is a full-sized bedroom with an attached bathroom located downstairs. There is also, as soon as you come out of it, more space on the right, and that is where the mini hallway leads you to the other half a bathroom, which is right next to the staircase. After that, we're going to show you the open floor plan of this specific home as well. Again, more than 3,200 square feet of living space on about a 6,000 square foot lot. As soon as you come into this space, you are also welcomed by a ton of sunlight, similar to the previous home as well. You have laminated hardwood flooring, carpet in the bedrooms, and a beautiful kitchen that also comes with some of the appliances. Unlike Lennar, Risewell doesn't include as much appliances. So when you do sign on the dotted line, make sure your realtor explains all of that to you. These Risewell homes do come with a little bit of a larger lot, so that's why you see more space in the backyard, perhaps what you may have seen with our previous home. Beautiful kitchen here as well. Beautiful backsplash. Risewell is known to be a more luxury premium builder, so that could be the reason why their prices are more than Lennar's. Lennar is a nationwide large builder, so they of course have more competitive pricing compared to Risewell. Of course, very spacious walk-in pantry that you just saw. There's also a coffee space that you saw outside of the pantry. So very spacious kitchen and very nice use of the extra space that was there outside of the pantry. Coming on to the second floor, this house also has a spacious loft. It's going to, of course, look different than the previous home that we just saw because we looked at that home, which was a model home. But for this specific home, I wanted to kind of give you a contrasting view of a home that is move-in ready and perhaps is not, staged with all the other furniture and wall art that you saw. So you kind of get a perspective of, hey, this is what a model home looks like. But in comparison, this is what a move-in ready home would look like by both Risewell and Lennar. Spacious master bedroom, the main primary bedroom that is located upstairs. Very nice sized bathroom, of course, double sink. You have the standing shower. Of course, you have a spacious walk-in closet here as well. So this specific home, similar to the last one, has 2 primary bedrooms. The contrast is that the other home had the main bedroom, the more spacious one, on the ground floor, whereas for this home, the more spacious, larger home or larger bedroom is located on the second floor. In addition to that, we're going to show you the other 3 bedrooms that are located upstairs and, of course, the additional full hallway bathroom, making this home also a 5-bed, 3.5 bath home. Also, again, 2 master bedrooms in this house. Both of these homes are located in the same neighborhood, of Arbor Ranch in Elk Grove, California, which is located in the 95757 zip code. If you are serious about purchasing a brand new home here in Elk Grove, I highly encourage you to consider 95757 zip code. In addition to the great prices we showed you in the video, Lennar is also offering a 4.99 special 30-year fixed rate, and they also have closing cost assistance up to 100% off your closing cost. Do make sure you work with a local realtor who understands the market, because we get builders to compete with each other for your business. Also, depending on what floor plan you like, you might choose one builder over the other, but both of these builders are very reputable and they have been building homes here in Elk Grove for a long time. Let's talk a little bit more about the pricing structure, mortgage rates, what the payments would look like I promised in the beginning of the video. Let's get to that now. Now let's talk about the incentives and pricing and the mortgage rate incentives that these builders have ongoing for both of these large homes. Here you can see the Lennar pricing. We're going to show you the pricing, the incentives that they have, and also what your mortgage payment could look like with minimum 20% down. And here on this side, I'm going to price out the Risewell Homes example. As you can compare the two apples to apples in terms of pricing, incentives. Again, these assumptions are based on 20% down payment and also assuming that you have great credit score as well. So you can clearly see what you get with each of these options. Inventory is although picking up, the buyers are also coming into the market because we are going to be nearing the school year starting here in Elk Grove. And since great schools are neighboring this neighborhood, I am assuming that a lot of these homes the two homes that I showed you in the video and the availability that these builders have, they're going to sell out of these homes quickly, not because just schools, but also because the incentives are drying up. Builders are not as gracious with the incentives as they were, 3 months ago when we were just coming out into the new year of 2026. So keep that in mind also, that the longer you wait, the less incentives you'll have towards purchasing your home. So if you have been sitting on the sidelines to purchase a larger home, perhaps, getting a bigger home, or perhaps you're thinking about moving to the city, this could be a great opportunity for you. Again, my name is Sandeep Singh. I represent clients across Elk Grove, across California, and even have helped clients move across the country into this beautiful city. So if you are 2 days away from buying, 2 months, 2 years, never too late or early to start a conversation with the local realtor. So my number is going to be in the description of the video, and I look forward to helping you make Elk Grove your future home. I have a request for you. We post a lot of videos on a weekly basis that are of interest to our clients, but I'm always looking for feedback. If there's anything that I haven't answered, perhaps in this video, or a topic about Elk Grove that interests you the most, drop me a comment below and I will make sure that I post a near future video on that topic, because again, all of my videos are for my viewers, and if I am able to do anything that help answer your remaining questions, I would love to do that. Drop a comment below and let me know what else I should talk about.